Hey guys, so this is really fucking crazy, and I wanted to share. We just did the CrowdStrike prediction, right? Of the AI predicting the CrowdStrike drop. Now we're doing it for TurboUSD, one of my Patreon members. Shout out to Outrageous, I love him. He wanted a prediction for TurboUSD, which is a small cap crypto. It's basically a meme, right? Kind of. Damn, did my treadmill really just turn off? Jesus. It's predicting a price level of 008. Oh shit. 008. Also a little bit higher. 008. It's predicting a price level of 008, so a little bit higher. Expecting a bullish move within the next 2 weeks. Yeah, that's basically it. That did it pretty quick. Sorry, I got messed up with my treadmill right now. But yeah, Turbo predicting a price forecast of 008, which is, I think, a little bit less than a 50% push from here. So yeah, that's basically it.